Hello guys, today I will show you how to export the Revit file to AutoCAD. This one is very simple method and you can draw any drawing inside the Revit and after you can make it if you want to, if currently I draw this level 1 and now there is level 2. If this 2 I want to make it in AutoCAD. Then what I supposed to do, I just go file, export, export in DWG. Then here you can choose how many pages you want. Then I need to choose this one, view model. Then I go level 1 and level floor plan 1 and 2 I choose. This 2 I choose. If you want to see the 3D you can choose 3D also. I don't want to see the 3D, then I don't choose. Then you can go, then here you can choose which AutoCAD you want to use. If sometimes somebody is using lower than 18, then you need to choose. For safe, you can use 13. I hope all guys is making more than 18. Now then you can create one folder. You can save this one here. You just push OK. Then it will take a few seconds to convert. Okay, and after you can go my computer. You can I save it here. See this file. AutoCAD file is here. You open another one, separate file level 2. Okay guys, if you want to come back in sheet also, you need to do same method and you can do it there also. Sometimes it will come in block also when you do that. And when you need to careful with your things, some blocks will be bigger size. Okay, this one okay. See this one. This one you need to make sure this one actual size. Yeah, see this one also when you doing in the Revit, you need to make proper height or you make duplicate and do it. Actually, this one is my beam. It came like that. Okay, guys. Thank you.